Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mike's Automotive. So today we're working with the Honda Civic, you guys, and this is like 2016 and up for push to start. Now, the customer had a Autel Universal Remote Pro into his vehicle, and the thing is that it was kind of working. It turns on the car when it wants to. It doesn't turn on. Sometimes it does. So she's like, "Hey, I'm just gonna get an OEM smart key and just go ahead and program it." So I said, all right. So we're gonna be using our Autel. Go ahead and make sure you have your emergency lights on. If you can't turn it on, if you can turn it on, turn it on. Okay. Now we're gonna go to automatic VIN scan. So it's gonna automatically search for the vehicle using the VIN. Like I said, if you can turn it on, turn it on. We're gonna select smart key. We're gonna do a push to start, okay, because this is push to start. As you guys can see, there's information right there for Civic. We always go through IMMO status scan just because it does the scan of the IMMO system, and it lets us know if something's wrong with it or anything. So it says is ignition turned on by pressing the start button. If you can turn it on, yes. If you can't, press no. So we're gonna go ahead and scan it. You guys can see it has the smart system on here, and then the IMMO system. So the smart system would be like anything that's keyless, any modules that can pick it up. You know, the IMMO system, of course, is the immobilizer system that immobilizes the vehicle if it's not the correct key. So we're gonna go through all case laws. Actually, if you have a key, you can go through add a key, but I'm gonna go through all case laws because at the end of the day, their key didn't want to turn on the car and off when it needed to, and this requires you to turn on and off the car. So it says to place the key to be learned in the vehicle and take all the other keys out. Is the ignition turned on by pressing on? No, we can't turn it on, so we're gonna press no. It says press and hold the start button, so we're gonna press and hold the start button until the ignition turns on and the cluster turns on and all the lights, everything kind of like accessory mode. Is the ignition switched on? Please release the ignition. We're gonna press OK. Okay, here's the next step. Whether it's a newer model, generally refers to after 2020. We're gonna press no because it's not over 2020. If it's like 16 through 18. Now it's establishing vehicle communication. Okay, checking condition of the vehicle. Please wait. Key program success. Would you like to program the next one? Press yes if you have another one. Press no if you don't have another one. So it's telling us to press the start button. Okay, to turn it off. Now it says to turn it on. So basically, for all Honda, this is how it is: turn it off, turn it on. So you might have to. Okay, are both the keys keyless? Is indicator immobilizer light off? Yes, it's off. We're gonna press yes. Now again, it's gonna tell us to shut it off, so we're gonna press it. Now it says to turn it on. Okay, now you're gonna have to press it twice to turn it on. Every time you press it, so press it twice to turn it off, and once. Press it twice to turn it on, and once to turn it off. As you guys can see, the registration is complete. Okay, turn it off. Press it once to turn it off. Now don't put your foot on the brake, okay? Like, do not start the actual vehicle. It just wants you to put it in accessory mode. As you guys can see, it's programmed, the remote works, everything works perfectly. Please don't forget, if you guys like this video and helped you out, subscribe to the channel, join our members only. And once again, this is programming a smart key to a 2016 and up Honda Civic using our Autel IM608 Pro. This is Mikey's Automotive. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, you guys.